Hello everyone, Don with Resolute Outdoors here. Hey, what we're looking at here is some sunflower heads. I have never actually collected sunflower seeds before. Don't think it's too hard, but I wanted to kind of just take you through as I do this for the first time here. So we have a local sunflower maze by us. It's kind of do like a corn maze type thing, but with sunflowers. And at the end of the season, like the last couple days or whatever, they were selling sunflowers, the drooped over heads you could buy for, or any kind of heads really, for $1 a piece. So I went and picked some drooped over ones. Looked like they had some good seeds in them from what I was able to see under here. And I just hung them up. And it's the last day of December here actually. So they've been hanging out for a long while now, months now. They are extremely dry and extremely light. So I'm gonna go break these apart and see what we get. Like I said, I've never done this before. So kind of come with me here and we'll do this together. This will be a learning experience for both of us. So let's have these hung up with some twine here. And my intention with these is I would like to potentially plant some of these by a garden next year. And then, I don't know, maybe I'll eat some of them, maybe I won't. I don't know if you need to roast them after this or not. I assume you could just eat them like this, but I don't know. Like I said, I've never done this before. So we're doing it together. So, presuming you just break it apart, I guess. Sure seems like it. Let's see here. Kind of getting like the actual seeds out, but also like the stuff from the pockets as well, pretty much. The pockets that they're sitting in. These are extremely dry. So, there's an awful lot of waste here. Go through and pick some of these out here. So kind of smaller here. I don't know if any of these would be good for eating. I guess I'll try one now. Why not? Yeah, that one was empty. I'll find another one in here. Let's find a bigger one. So there's the seed. Took it out of my mouth, so if that's offends you, I'm sorry, but looks like a normal seed. Let me try it. Tastes pretty much like a normal sunflower seed. Like I said, I don't know if they roast the ones at the store, but it's not bad. Kind of small. I don't know if I would use these just because of that, for that purpose, but let me go through here. I'm going to crunch up the rest of these pretty much the same way. Actually, we'll just do this little one together here, and then I'll do the rest of the two and sort everything out and kind of show you what I yielded. So I'm just massaging these sunflower heads, I guess, for lack of a better word, and pushing out with my thumb here all the seeds. I'm also getting all this extra little junk in it too that comes along with it. The little pockets or whatever that the seeds go into. Kind of see here on the end, these little pockets, or they kind of nestled in. All right, that's two of them. Let me do the rest of them here, and then I'll show you what I was able to finish and gather up. All right, so I took the seeds and, I don't know, chaff, I don't know what you call this, off of the sunflowers. I decided not to separate it. It's extremely difficult. This would have been too tedious, and honestly, none of the seeds really seemed big enough to be seeds that would be great for eating anyways. So I just left it like this. I figured if you have something like this, and I want to plant these this year, you can just grab a handful. They'll get some of the waste product as well, but that's fine. I'll just toss that in when I'm planting these and have a little bit extra kind of fertilizer for the seeds there. So probably probably 1/3 seed. The rest is kind of that waste material. I picked out some of the bigger, probably 1/3 or so is what I would say is the actual seeds in there. But I think I'm going to plan on just taking a handful and just tossing it on the ground or whatever whenever I want to plant these. So there you go. That's what you get. I don't know if that's how much I thought I was going to get out of those or not. Probably a little bit less. I think only 1/3 or so, but not bad overall. So appreciate you guys coming along for me with me on this. Like I said, never done this before. Kind of just a learning experience for all of us. This is Don with Resolute Outdoors. Till next time, I'll see you.